we thought in our mind, what we think in our mind, that has a specific frequency. So and all other thought in the an object in this universe, they are some what the specific frequencies. So when we thought but when we attract something, then that connects, that frequency connects those things, and that automatically attract means we it means not like that we didn't do any work and we get that. Not like that. Means
Mm-hmm.
we started seeing opportunities like before that what our mind like an example, if you want if you want to do one work, and you are not what having what the ideas how to do that, how to what execute that. So
Mm-hmm.
if you imagine like, yeah, I already achieved that, I attract that, then opportunity will means what automatically came to us. You start you I mean, from somewhere one idea will came to your mind like, yes, this has to be done like that. So so yeah, so this theory is behind that, like what you attract that have that specific frequency, which will what attract those things, and you will find your mind will be what more conscious, like see more opportunities in things around your things, which you
Mm-hmm.
don't what which you don't realize when we didn't what attract those things.
Hmm.
So
Okay,
it's
guys.
like
So
you are
just
yeah,
yeah, yeah. Okay, so
yeah,
just a key
if you are
thing
like
he's saying. Yeah, अरे रुक जा मेरे भाई रुक जा.
okay, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
so just the key thing, what he is saying is कि the universe or the destiny or the things around you is arranged in a manner. Okay, and there are some core principles: ask, believe, and receive model by which this entire thing works. Okay, so
Yes.
if you're asking and then you're believing it will come, these emotions will trigger something in the universe that miraculously opportunities will start coming in your life, and you don't know why it is happening, but that's how the destiny is arranged. Okay, so you just have to believe and like ask, then believe, and then there is a sequence which triggers and which will be presenting you these opportunities automatically. And guys, if you are thinking about this 21-day abundance program, that every day one audio we are sharing, the audio program is all about realizing these facts. Opportunities are always there, it's always around you, you attract them, open the gate so that they can come into your life, and then day by day tuning your brain to make it possible. Okay, yes, OC, back to you.
So the next point is believing. So
Believing.
what you yeah what you ask in what first step, start believing them. It's like you are ordering something from online shop, so means online site, and
Uh-huh.
you are what you are having one belief that it will come. So like that,
हाँ.
what you ask,
सही एग्जाम्पल
start
पकड़ा
believing.
है
Yeah,
ओके.
start believing means you order that thing, it will come to you like
Okay,
that.
okay,
So
okay. Yeah, guys,
so
your belief
yeah,
system is very important. Your belief system is very important. Many people believe that they will not get it. Okay, they
yeah,
believe that in my past I am not that great of a smart or an intelligent person. That's where I don't deserve that kind of life. These are some base assumptions which many people make. Okay, because of XYZ reasons, and because of that it will never come to you. That's what it is. So you have to change, you have to break your old beliefs and believe strong. And like he says, okay, law of attraction, it's a universal law. Whether you like it or not, it will come to you. So if you strongly believe, it will come to you. If you negative believe, it will come to you. So that's what it is.
yeah.
What you project
Yes,
will come
if
back.
you
Yes.
means many people like they didn't what they scared of asking means they scared like they didn't attract those things much in a proper manner, like instead of what how what asking for that, I want a good partner, they what asking me if they believing like they asking if I get one bad partner what will happen. So that,
Mm,
so that they attracting those things. So
mm,
if you attract what positive things, then
mm,
positive what means you seen all the means your environment in a positive way, and you start seeing opportunities to develop what whatever you want.
mm-hmm.
So yeah,
True,
so
true, true.
and after asking, yeah, after asking these things, so you need to believe in. believe
OC,
in these
just
things
one
like
thing, okay, दो तीन बार I
yeah.
think while in your conversation you are putting a picture के भाई partner partner partner, तो क्या शादी का कुछ चल रहा है क्या OC?
No, no. Actually, in this book also, these are yeah, these are
अच्छा
means
अच्छा,
this book
okay,
is yeah all about yeah all
ठीक है
about
ठीक है.
your
Otherwise I thought
your
कि you applied the one thing to prioritize this as the item and law of attraction करके ये बंदा full जुगाड़ लगा रहा है to make it life success. Okay okay okay,
so
kidding
Law
kidding.
of attraction.
no, no in this actually this book is all about your life means
Mm-hmm.
actually I want to what give some I means background ideas about this book like Rhonda Bond the author of this book he was what completely what lost his hope from his life and his business is
Yes.
down his yeah and is completely what broken and his personal life is broken and his financial business are down and after that he's finding something in like what these successful people do to what get this this thoughts and
Mm-hmm.
he find that all these successful people like Newton like Shakespeare this all these famous personality they know that they attract those things what matters to them and
Mm-hmm.
after that they what applies these things to their life and they achieve great things and
Mm-hmm.
he started searching like that kind of people in current generation and after that he find that
Time to
these
solution.
people also yeah these people also exist in this world like
Mm-hmm.
who believe in this theory and they applied in their life in current what generation
Mm-hmm.
these people all already there and they what believe in this thing and they start applying this thing on their life and they are achieving it and in that in this thought one movie is prepared in this over this book like actually first the movie is prepared on this book and after
Uh-huh.
that this book is written yeah
Okay.
so he
Just
find it
including the movie.
this successful people and the movie is like a documentary
Okay,
they
okay,
share their
okay,
life
okay.
experience and about this law yeah so
Mm-hmm.
yeah
Okay. So
and
you have done that,
they
you have
talk
done all
about
this
yeah
research behind story, you try to figure these things out, yeah?
no actually this in this
In the
movie
book
all this
also is
yeah in
Acha.
the book
book
also
also.
and yeah in the book
Okay.
also and this movie also this is described
Okay,
Hmm.
okay.
so
Mm-hmm.
this so there in that movie people were sharing their personal life their professional life they're applying this thing on
Mm-hmm.
every aspect of their life and they're achieving results
Yeah.
and this is a very old book and nowadays also some famous personalities support this theory and they
Mm-hmm.
applied it in their life and they achieve what great
Yes, yes,
results
yes, yes, yes.
yeah
Okay. Thanks for
and
sharing that actually. Lot of value.
So,
And देखो things are
so
simple, okay? Yes, yes, yes. बोलो कौन है?
this is Rajesh. So can I add one thing in attracts in right thing?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
So first thing is if right now I am facing problem to getting a job. So if I attracts to a specific job like I want a in specific area means I want in Java developer in that Spring and with that Spring with this Spring AOP like that. If I attract like that, then that definitely maybe that's wrong because universe gives that thing which is beyond your capability, which is capable for you, which is needed for you. So you just attract I need a best IT career and I focus my concentration with that area. So I think it's the right way to attracting because when I watch a lot of video they people sharing their real life experience like OC share one life partner they some people are broken in specific area but they still the people attract that specific people I attracts them but when they change their perspective and they attract for a life right life partner that at that time the people uh, their life will be changed very drastically means you can't imagine the people just get success by success, success by success. So universe set in a very big thing, so don't stop with specific thing. So
Okay,
Actually,
okay, okay.
actually,
Can I
actually, this move, what actually I want to. This book is all about what you want. You attract those things that will give that opportunity to see opportunity, like opportunity around, like you do this thing that, and this thing will what help
okay.
you to what achieve those things.
Mm-hmm.
If you attract now, if you attract those opportunity, will what you start seeing those opportunities around you. It's
Mm-hmm.
not like I am attracting these things and that thing will automatically come to you. You have to do work. But if you thinking like that, then right opportunities will, you started seeing right opportunity. These things what yeah.
Super,
Uh,
super. सही है, सही है. Correct,
Can
correct,
I?
correct.
all
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Sir, actually, all because of the thoughts have the thoughts are magnetic, and thoughts are the frequency. For that, what's your thought? That thought goes to the universe, and the universe return that things to you,
Mm-hmm.
because thought have that frequency,
Yes.
so that
Mm-hmm.
returns to you. For
Yes,
for
yes.
all those things, if
Very
you
true.
feel happy, then that returns to you.
Yes. Very true,
Yeah,
For
very
if
true,
you
that,
very
if
true.
new
if you
idea
feel
will
sad, yeah.
come to you.
Yes,
For
yes.
that, we have, if your thought is good, then for doing the things, you find the way to do that things.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Yeah,
Okay,
so true. Correct.
okay, okay. So the second point is start believing what you ask,
Mm-hmm.
that it will come to you.
Mm-hmm.
And
The third
like
point is receive.
yeah,
Mm.
third point is receive. Start
Mm.
receiving means, start receiving means you have to what imagine, like what you ask and what you believe, you
It
start
will
what
come to
you
you.
already
Mm.
get that. Yeah, you already get that. You start living that life means you imagine like I'm already what get that thing, and I'm living this thing. Like if you
Mm.
imagine like I have a big house, you start imagining like, yeah, already I have that house and I'm living in our luxurious luxuriously in that house. If you imagine like, yeah, I have that
Visualizations. Mm.
visualization. Receiving
Mm.
is all about visualization. You have to visualize, you have to live that life. And
Mm.
and in this what in this point, I have to give a strong example, like one John something, I didn't remember the name. In this
Uh-huh.
actually in this movie he came across, but he's a what famous what movie actor and director, stuntman. Actually, he's a stuntman. So he's doing a stunt for a movie, and he's in a helicopter crash. His backbone is completely means broke, and
Uh-huh.
doctors are what said that you never what in your life you never what able to walk again. So but he completely what he strongly believe in their mind that in this new year what I am what believing like in this new year I will stand in my leg, and I'll go out from this hospital with what
I'll
running
walk.
from
Huh.
running and
Mm.
jumping from this door. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so completely 3 months what complete in his bed rest, and he's in ICU completely. His doctors are what said that he didn't able to work again. So but completely he's in bed rest, and he's just imagining like
Mm.
I'm jumping, but when he's sleeping now always, his mind is imagining like, yeah, I am able to walk again. I'm jumping from here, and is continuously what imagining that new year, but 1 January, I want
Mm-hmm.
to, I mean, I will I mean I already what step out, what stand
Mm.
in front of this door, and I'll jump from this this door, and
Mm-hmm.
go out from this door.
Mm-hmm.
So after 3 months,
Mm-hmm.
doctors started seeing improvements in their backbone and in his legs.
Nice.
And
Mm.
after 6 months, sorry, 5 and some days, is actually he's standing in front of the door, and and he's what make able to make that happen, and he's what go out of that hospital with his own leg by walking. So
Super.
this
Mm.
theory, yeah, this
Yeah.
theory is so much.
Okay, just one point I want to add for everybody. Okay, the countdown is already beginning, yes, but I'll just add one thing. Okay, uh, देखो, all these concepts, all these thoughts, we have heard about it as part of some variant or the other, as part of life transformation, that your thoughts will create your reality. What you believe, that
Yes,
is what is going to happen. And now these books also have, देखो, the basic essence of living life is same. The point is ki the more you spend time in reading all these things and believing, point is ki your subconscious mind will always over dominate your thought process. Okay, and because life is always going to give you problems, that's what life is about. It will give you troubles, problems, challenges. But when these challenges are coming, at that time, if these positive and the foundation thoughts are not running in your mind, so these challenges will become very strong in front of. That's why you keep reading it, you know, from multiple angles, multiple perspectives, and over a period of time, when that happens, it will sink down in your brain, and then problems will become smaller for you. Okay, but the important thing you need to know ki even all these books are trying to cover the same topics from some angle. That
yes,
means that's how universal truth it is. Okay, some of the other variants, maybe others might have read it in some other books, almost the similar thoughts will be there. Like, okay, your thoughts, basically visualization techniques, this and that. So when the entire world of life is actually prepared around the same thing, it is that much mandatory for you to apply it practically in your life and see the results. Okay, so don't keep this knowledge only to the books. You have to take it, you have to apply it, convert it into results, and you have to keep doing this on a day by day basis, not like 1 month
yes,
time, like once in a while type. Okay, if your everything living your life becomes this manner na, uske baad, that is where the great people originate. Okay, they don't lose fail, they don't fail basically anytime, because they understood life. They read so much, and reading is step one. They applied that on a day by day basis. So just, I think this book bash for was basically to put everything in the same perspective, so that multiple books, multiple people, multiple examples, and then putting it all like, yes, it is all true, and you need to apply that so that you get benefited. Yes, OC, back to you. 3 minutes countdown running.
so I want to conclude this book, like this what law of attraction always works, whether you know it or don't know it.
Yes.
So start asking for that, means if you don't know what to ask, then what you ask, that will be what your reality. So ask wisely, ask properly what you want, what take care of your thought process and your mind, like don't allow negativity, always be positive. And one thing is, this book is not about you attracting those things and it will come automatically. You have to do massive work, but this if you are doing these things, then opportunity will automatically came.
Mm.
And yeah, I also experienced it before reading this book. Like whenever I mean I feel good, like whenever I going for exams and all, and something for something, whenever I feel good, I started believing like, yeah, I can do it, and I will do it. Yeah. So I but always what good things, what means whenever I didn't prepare for that question, means for that optional, that one another question is there, which I will prepare for that. And if I what if my thought process before going to exam like that, कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है, क्या करूँगा? So in exams, ये छोड़ दिया मैंने, वो छोड़ दिया, तो मैंने एग्जाम में बहुत मतलब I faced lot of difficulties in exams. So
Mhm.
this is my what personal. I before reading this book, I was experiencing this. I was always what trying to figure out that yeah, अच्छे सोचोगे तो अच्छा होगा. Means if you think good, that will what good will happen.
Mhm.
तो ये बात this will but ये तो थी मतलब मेरे इस पे.
Right.
So after
So,
reading this book,
mm,
yeah, after
mm,
reading this book, I can relate it like, yeah,
yeah,
this
why that life
law
was like that.
actually works. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, okay. So we are running into the final 1 minute, everybody. And yeah, back to back good learnings coming up. Okay, so pretty good. Thanks for sharing all this. And I think we are believing in these principles more because you guys are projecting your life. So this is not about consuming, it is about you experiencing it, and others will be able to reflect and consume, and then they will also be in the same journey. So we're true value add. Okay. So the final 1 minute going further. इसके बाद फिर राहुल आएगा अपना ब्रह्मास्त्र लेकर to
So,
destroy everybody. Yeah.
So excuse me, I want to one thing that
कितना one thing हाँ
you
चलो हाँ.
you just apply scientifically कि
Uh-huh.
you just create vibration inside that mind